Howdy, partner. So you want to see how Fusion Pro Grout held up 1 year later? Well, you're in luck. We're going to show you today. Today, we're going to walk you through this job that we did using Fusion Pro Grout. Now, we used it outdoors here on our outdoor kitchen, and we went with a sort of pool theme, and we have a whole series of videos on those. If you want to check them out on the outdoor kitchen build or the finishing, or actually how we applied the Fusion Pro, go to the bottom right, hit the subscribe button. Also, if you have any questions, comments, put in the comment button. And also, appreciate those thumbs up. Please give me a like if you get a chance. So, Fusion Pro Grout is a special kind of grout that's supposed to be the best for mildew resistance. It's supposed to be really strong and really a really high quality product. I've never used it before. And again, we've got a video on how to finish an outdoor kitchen where we applied it. Applying it is a little different than most grout. You have to put it on, then you have to wipe it off and use a microfiber towel that you wet down and you drag it across the top. You can look at Fusion Pro, has some videos out on how to do it, but one thing I will warn you, this stuff is really sticky and it dries really fast. So when you're applying it, make sure you follow the instructions and make sure you don't work on a hot work surface. We made that mistake where this towel got a little hot, and actually a magic eraser, when it was still a little wet, worked to get it off. So remember that, magic eraser will help take it off. So how did it work? Well, I can tell you, if you want to come on in and zoom in on this, this outdoor kitchen has been outside here in Florida for over a year, and I have never cleaned it. All this perfectly white, it's like the day it went in. This is the Fusion Pro Arctic white color we used. This stuff has been amazing. We've had temperatures from below freezing all the way up to 100 degrees, and a lot of cold evenings with really hot days, high humidity. We get mildew everywhere. We've had zero mildew, zero staining. The grill's here and it splashes out grease and, you know, all sorts of food. It's fine. Once in a while I'll take a rag and just wipe it down while I'm cooking. But other than that, it's never been scrubbed, never been cleaned. And as you can see, it held up. So I really recommend this grout. It's a little more money than most grouts, but I will say it was probably worth it. I'm not an influencer at all for Fusion Pro. I just wanted to make sure I built something that was low maintenance and held up, and it has done just that. It's also got a very hard edge here, which it's done fantastic on. Zero complaints. So if you're looking for something for outdoors or even indoors in a bathroom or something, you want to deal with any mildew or any staining, that's probably the stuff. Although it is difficult to apply. Again, thanks for tuning in, Mr. Gray's How To. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, all these videos, if I can do it, you can too. Thanks for watching.